Hi everyone, welcome back to the show. Today I've got with me somebody who's been on international runways, who's been on the cover of magazines, and probably in most of yours saved Instagram photos as well. He is Mr. India World, a fashion icon, an actor, a model. And if you ever wondered what happens when good genes meet even better discipline, well, this is the example.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
But we're not just talking about looks today. We're diving deep into his journey and talking about the hustle behind the glam. And there might be a tiny segment in today's show where I roast him just a little bit, all in good fun. And he is Mr. India World 2014, Mr. Prateek Jain.
Thank you. Thank you, Navpreet. Thank you for having me here. It's a
And
pleasure.
I am so happy and so glad to have you as a guest of our show. It is such an honor to have an icon like you here. Welcome to the show.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to, you know, come and share my heart out to the audience, to all of y'all. Thank you for having me.
Wonderful. So, Prateek, what is your definition of a modern Indian man?
A modern Indian man. Firstly, I say, आप अपने रूट्स के साथ कनेक्टेड रहो, अपनी फैमिली की रेस्पेक्ट करो, अपने माता पिता की रेस्पेक्ट करो, एंड देन द कोर वैल्यू आप डिसिप्लिन रहो. नथिंग मोर देन दिस. बाकी चीज़ें अपना आप हो जाती है, आई फील.
Wow, wonderful. Over time and across generations, we have seen the idea of masculinity, the idea of manhood evolve and change. Some of us are evolving way too much, but in a directionless way, I would say. Kyunki, let's say you're going out on a date with a woman, and some men would say कि भाई ठीक है, let's split the bill half half. Some men are like, why not? I'm the man. I've brought you out. I've called you out for the date. Let me look after this. So we are still kind of in a generation where half are on the left side, half are on the right side. So it's a lot of confusion about what a modern Indian man must do, must be like. What is your take on that?
So if you ask me, I don't know if it is to do with a modern Indian man, but personally I feel कि अगर मैं डेट पे जाता हूँ, no matter how what I have in my pocket, what my pocket allows, no matter how rich the woman is, no matter what background she comes from, I would never want her to pay. I'm very strong-headed on this. मेरे को शर्म आती है. अगर if any woman would pay, मुझे शर्म आती है. So I would never want that. It's not about patriarchal or it is not about anything to do with a generation. A man, if you go out with a woman, you should pay. It is a small thing. आप चाय पी लो या whatever, pay for it. I mean, it's a small
All the
thing.
Mr. Indias, पुराने वाले, आने वाले, नए वाले. Everybody, this is a very good
Never let a woman pay.
opinion he shared. And being a woman, I can say that no matter how much the time evolves, we'll always prefer a man like him. So yeah, this is a very good take that you've shared about being a man, masculinity, and being a provider. Now I don't know कि comments में कितना तांडव होने वाला है, but here is our opinion. Now, how did the idea of Mr. India come into being in your mind? Since you already have had the complex of being a dusky
Dark-skinned,
boy,
yes.
a dark-skinned boy, how did you overcome that challenge first of all? And when did you decide to participate in Mr. India?
As when I was growing up, things were not that easy or things were not कि हाँ भाई मुझे मालूम है कि आगे जाके मैं हीरो बनूंगा या मैं ये मुझे नहीं पता था. मुझे इतना ही मालूम था कि मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है और मुझे इसके लिए लड़ना पड़ेगा. कलर था, पतला था, so I had to fight all the odds from a middle class family. Not everything is not provided to you. So my father स्पोर्ट्स के लिए वो हमेशा सपोर्ट करते थे. पढ़ाई के लिए उन्होंने बोला कि तेरे को जो करना है कर, बट नॉट लाइक मॉडलिंग ये वो, बिकॉज नहीं, ये सारी चीज़ें आपको करनी है, आप अपने पैसे से करो.
Unconventional thing for parents.
यस. तो मुझे बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ी. तो मेरे को मालूम था कि मेरा एजुकेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आई हैव टू स्टैंड अप on my own feet. और जो जुगाड़ होगा फिर मुझे करना पड़ेगा, मुझे मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, बॉडी बनानी पड़ेगी. I can always thank my father for this. कि बचपन में बहुत गुस्सा आता था कि यार why my dad did not let me do this or why my dad did not support me. But now I feel that that was one of the best thing that he did because it made me a man who can work hard, who can stand up, who can face any challenge in life.
So he let you be on your own, and then by virtue of which you became somebody who became his own best supporter, became his own cheerleader, became his own provider and whatnot.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
I think in that case, thanks to your dad.
Thank you.
And I love the way you are looking at it. Because many people who are chasing their dreams और जिनके पेरेंट्स सपोर्ट नहीं करते उनके लिए बहुत आसान है कंप्लेन करना कि मेरे पेरेंट्स ने ये नहीं किया वो नहीं किया बट द वे यू आर लुकिंग एट इट कि थैंक गॉड नहीं किया बिकॉज ऑफ विच योर हु यू आर योर हियर एंड so many people are currently listening to you and your journey.
Yeah.
So I believe it's a good outlook on whatever life throws at you. It is all about how you take it and what you make of it, right?
Yes, definitely. Why I'm telling this, हमारे पेरेंट्स के साथ हमारी हमेशा अनबन रहेगी. That we can't change because they are your parents. You have to be on their understanding. आपको झुक के रहना पड़ेगा. आपको हमेशा अपना सर झुका के ही रखना पड़ेगा. नो मैटर व्हाट, जो भी जनरेशन आ जाए, आप कितने बड़े बन जाओ, आप कितने ही हो, ये चीज आपको माननी पड़ेगी. दिस इज अ मॉडर्न इंडियन मैन एंड ही शुड बी लाइक दिस. आई मीन इफ यू कैन कैरी दिस वैल्यू, ट्रस्ट मी, उनकी ब्लेसिंग है. इफ यू बिलीव इन गॉड, आपने भगवान को नहीं देखा, वी हैव नॉट सीन गॉड. द रियल गॉड आर योर पेरेंट्स. नो मैटर हाउ बैड हाउ गुड दे आर, इफ यू टेक दिस, बिकॉज पेरेंट्स हमेशा आपके लिए कुछ अच्छा ही चाहेंगे. सो वील ओनली अंडरस्टैंड एज वी ग्रो अप, एज वी मैच्योर. तो आई थिंक दिस इज वन ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग दैट आई कैन से फॉर द मॉडर्न इंडियन मैन टू अंडरस्टैंड and respect this.
Wow. So according to Mr. Prateek Jain, a modern Indian man is not just a man who aspires to be the best that he can be. He's also somebody who's humble enough to respect his parents, to be grounded, to be in touch with his roots, and yet fly as high as you can, as he has. Well, I love that definition of a modern Indian man from you. In today's world, we have men and women both taking up equal responsibility in the upbringing of a child. How much do you think a man should contribute at a house? Changing the diapers of a kid, or taking him or her to school, or singing songs to them at bedtime, reading stories. I mean, how much of a job should a man take up? Because we all know women actively, as a mother, it's your instinct to look after the baby. As a father, how much of a role do you think a modern man should play?
So इसमें ना मैं अपना पर्सनल एग्जांपल ले सकता हूँ, बिकॉज एक्चुअली ये आपकी चाइल्डहुड से आती है. ये सारी चीज़ें ना, आप जो हो या आप जो होने वाले हो इन फ्यूचर, इट कम्स अ लॉट फ्रॉम योर चाइल्डहुड. मैं कुछ चीज़ें अगर मैं याद करता हूँ तो मेरे पापा, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, कोई कराटे क्लास होती थी सुबह 7:30 बजे. माई डैड वेक्स अप लेट, बट मेरे को स्कूल छोड़ देते वो. ठीक है. सो आई बिलीव कि फादर की एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है, बिकॉज वो चाइल्ड मोटिवेट होता है, वो उसको पता है कि पापा सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. मेरे को ये चीज़ मेरे पापा की हमेशा याद रहती है. मेरे को हमेशा ये चीज़ पसंद है कि मेरे पापा ने, लाइक आई कैन रिमेंबर कि 7:30 बजे उठ के मेरे को छोड़ के आते थे. बट मॉम लंच के टाइम पे 4 किलोमीटर चल के, 5 किलोमीटर चल के मेरे को टिफ़िन देने आती थी. सो आई थिंक जहाँ पे आप समझ सकते हो कि कौन सी क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कौन कब संभाल सकता है, इट्स एन अंडरस्टैंडिंग बिटवीन पेरेंट्स. एंड ये चीज़ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि एक बच्चे को आगे जाके ना, लाइक इट विल मेक हिम और ब्रेक हिम. तो ये खुद पे डिपेंड होता है. आई थिंक यू नो कि आप कितना समझ सकते हो. आई मीन आई कम फ्रॉम अ वेरी मिडिल क्लास फैमिली, लेकिन ये चीज़ ना मैं हमेशा सोचता हूँ कि यार इट्स अ ब्लेसिंग टू हैव सच पेरेंट्स. नो मैटर व्हाट, दे फाइट फॉर देयर किड्स, दे डू ऑल द थिंग्स. तो एक माँ बाप के बीच में एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो जाए, समझ जाए कि कौन क्या कर सकता है. जैसे मेरी माँ मेरे प्रोजेक्ट्स में हेल्प करती थी, ये सारी चीज़ें मुझे याद आती है. सो आई ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दोज आर मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल मोमेंट्स दैट आई कैन चेरिश. और मेरे पापा की चीज़ें याद आती है, मेरे साथ क्रिकेट खेलते थे. सो आई थिंक ये आप खुद समझ सकते हो कि आपकी क्या
Yeah.
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है टुवर्ड्स योर किड.
So they've both played an equal and important role in your upbringing.
Yes.
Perfect. And you, would you have a message for our modern men who are maybe new parents or who are looking forward to be new parents?
Whatever I've told, I think it makes it very clear कि आप अपने बेटे या बेटी को क्या बनाना चाहते हो, तो आप सपोर्ट करो, उसको समझो और गो अहेड विद इट, यू नो, कि आपको लाइफ सिखा देती है. अब मुझे भी नहीं पता कि व्हाट अ पेरेंटहुड इज गोना मेक यू, तो शायद मैं बनने के बाद मुझे पता चलेगा कि मैं क्या बनने वाला. बट आई थिंक कि आप समझदार बन जाते हो जब आपके लाइक यू नो व्हेन यू हैव अ किड.
Yeah, wonderful, wonderful. How has Mr. India changed your life in any which way? Beginning from how you see yourself, how the world sees you, and what opportunities or doors it has opened for you.
I think Mr. India made me from a boy to a man.
Wow.
Again, I'll thank my parents for this because of their values or whatever. I don't know यार, आज बोल रहा हूँ मैं because I've never spoken like this. You know, I'll tell you something. आज तक मैंने अपने पेरेंट्स को हग नहीं किया है क्योंकि आई कम फ्रॉम अ मारवाड़ी फैमिली. ठीक है, हमारा प्यार जताने का तरीका बहुत अलग है. लाइक आई गेट थोड़ा सा नर्वस हो जाता हूँ मैं बिकॉज आई नेवर like I've seen my friends, they say that you never hugged your parents. I said no, I'm very shy, but my dad loves me so much. I mean, it is not about the words. He will never say I love you. I've never told my mother I love you. I've never told my father I love you. But that bond की unspoken language, क्योंकि एक गैप होता है यार. आज मॉडर्न जनरेशन शायद ये एक्सप्रेस कर पाती है अपने फ्यूचर जनरेशन के साथ, अपने बच्चों के साथ. मैं अपने बच्चों के साथ like I'll be very close to them, I'll hug them, I'll do everything. But with my father, I can't.
When was the last time you ever said I love you to your dad?
Never.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, Prateek is now going to call his dad.
I will not. I'm very shy. I swear, I'm very shy. I will never be able to do that.
Right now, from this platform, millions are looking at you. And you are redefining modern masculinity.
Gee,
you
see,
are our Mr. India. We all look up to you.
Dad, I love you. I know you'll be watching this. I mean, it is very weird. I've never hugged you. Even my mother, mummy, आपको मैंने कभी hug नहीं कर पाया. This is how it is. I mean, but we know that we love each other. So this is how it is.
So touched right now. And honestly, this is such a moment for me. I'm having goosebumps right now because it's so sweet that, see, we all know Prateek Jain for breaking stereotypes. He fought the idea of complexion being a barrier. He fought the idea of being skinny. He has fought many stereotypes and he has become the man he is today, the man we look up to. And right now, from this very platform, he's broken one more stereotype, which is when young men don't really express themselves, are not emotional enough or vocal enough about their emotions, and that too to the closest ones, our family, our mother and our father. And right now, Prateek did something very courageous. Prateek, I'm so very proud of you for speaking it up, and I'm very sure when your family will see this, they'll be so happy and proud of you, as I am. Love this. Thank you for doing this, Prateek.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're a true role model for the modern men today. You know.
Thank you.
How do you think your mom and dad would react when they listen to you say love you to them?
Of course, see, more than words, they know that, how much I love them. एक और चीज़ मैं आपको बताता हूँ क्योंकि ना मैं बहुत अर्ली एज से बाहर रहना शुरू कर दिया. मैं जब काम करता था मैं बैंगलोर से करता था बिकॉज माई फैमिली इज इन बैंगलोर. बट देन व्हेन आई मूव्ड आउट, इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 10-15 years I'm out. आई रियली विश मैं अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ रह पाऊँ. तब मैं सोचता था कि यार मुझे बाहर अकेला रहना है, लेकिन आज मैं चाहूँगा तो भी मैं जा नहीं पाता हूँ. मीनिंग आई कांट सेटल डाउन इन प्लेस वेयर माई पेरेंट्स लिव. Whoever are living with your parents, it's a blessing. It is the most beautiful thing that you can share. Please cherish it. Time कम है, हमारे पेरेंट्स निकल जाएंगे. We all will leave. It makes me very emotional when every 2 months that I see my parents, I feel they're getting old. You can be as strong as you can in this world. You can fight, you can make money, you can win battles, you can achieve anything in this life. This moment, you will never be able to live it or go back. तो दिस इज समथिंग आई मिस एंड मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि जितना मैं अपने फैमिली के साथ अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ टाइम बिता सकूँ मैं कोशिश करता हूँ.
That's very sweet, Pratik. That's very sweet. No matter you are our Mr. India world, because you're not just so good to look at, you're also a man full of character and content and emotions and the right outlook on life, the perspective. You're ever so evolving and ready to learn every step of the way. Love that about you. So, Pratik, आजकल क्या हो रहा है कि we see on social media that men are also trying new grooming products, new sunscreens, new face masks, and whatnot. What is your opinion on this new shift that we have seen in masculinity? Men accepting new products, men accepting skincare.
See, there are different, I mean, two different kind of people. Even as a man, for me, like I've always been drawn towards taking care of myself, even from childhood. If I tell you the real truth about me, see, I'm a dusky man. I'm a brown boy. Okay? So life has not been easy, or you can say that when you're fair, you have an advantage. But then when you're a little darker, so people do not see it as a advantage. People always look down on you. But ये छोटी चीज़ है, but you can work on it. So I mean, I've tried a lot of fairness products when I was younger.
Yeah?
Because I did not know about it, right? I mean, कि क्या चीज़ है, क्या करना है. We all want to get fairer. ये सारी चीज़ें हम कोशिश करते हैं. But when I realized my true potential, it is not about your color. You have to get much more deeper. In a way, say that कि my physique worked out for me
Yeah.
because एक madness था, एक passion था, एक पागलपन था. तो वो धीरे धीरे जब मैं हासिल करते गया तो कलर डिड नॉट मैटर फॉर मी.
Right.
एंड स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स आई टेल दैट कि सब लोगों को ट्राई करना चाहिए. इफ इट इज enhancing your look, if it makes you feel better, what is wrong in it? Like every morning when I wake up, I have a routine. So मैं कच्चा दूध इस्तेमाल करता हूँ. मेरे पापा को मैंने वही देखा है. Like he never uses shaving cream.
Okay.
है ना. So वो अगर शेविंग भी करते हैं ना, वो कच्चे दूध के साथ करते हैं.
Oh.
And he has no wrinkle on his face. So that is one thing that I've learned from him, and I mean, this is one of the biggest secret because I've tried n number of products. As we grow older, we see wrinkles है, ये चीजें है, spots है, ये है. The best thing to combat is milk, natural.
Wow. When I look at you, I see a clear, one-toned skin. And guys, मम्मी बोलती है बचपन से दूध पिया करो, दूध को फेस पे भी लगाया करो.
दूध को फेस पे, कच्चा दूध, not the boiled one. कच्चा दूध जो आप मिलता है ना, वो लगाया करो थोड़ा सा. Just massage it and then let it dry, wash it off,
Oh, wonderful.
and go for your shower.
Perfect. What qualities do you think our upcoming Mr. Indias could learn from you?
One is your self-belief. ये आपको कोई नहीं सिखा सकता. Like in my life, I'll tell you, people have told me you can't do this, you will never be able to do that. But एक कीड़ा था, एक पागलपन था, एक जुनून था. और I'm telling you कि I was so mad. मुझे मालूम है कि I'm not the most good looking. I've groomed myself into it. You need to find your strength. You need to find what you're good at. You need to enhance. आपको अपना USP जानना बहुत जरूरी है. So for me, education, sports, raw sex appeal. I say sex appeal is not about sex. Sex appeal is, I mean, it's about turning yourself into a machine, a person who's unbeatable. Like, what is a man? Like a man, he has to be desirable. Like even the title of Mr. India or Mr. World says the world's most desirable man. So it's about having a personality, a communication, physique. Yes, it is not about having a six-pack, but you need to work out, you need to exercise. What does a woman love in a man? Someone who is responsible enough, someone who can communicate well, someone who's understanding, who can communicate, who can show love, who can show care, who can show empathy, who has humanity. As a Mr. India or someone who's representing your country, you need to have a very strong willpower, unstoppable desire, a purpose, a fire and a discipline. मतलब आपको disciplined रहना जरूरी है because ये title ऐसा ही नहीं है. I mean, it's just not कि हाँ भाई या मैं Mr. India बन जाऊंगा. इसके लिए बहुत मेहनत लगती है. मैं टाइटल के लिए मेहनत नहीं कर रहा था. मैं एज अ पर्सन आई वॉज वर्किंग ऑन माई सेल्फ.
Yeah.
टाइटल हैपन टू मी बिकॉज आई थिंक जब आप करते हो ना चीजें आपके पास लाइक इट कनेक्ट्स द डॉट. लाइक आपको पता नहीं होता कि जिंदगी आपके पास क्या लाएगी. आप सब ट्राई करो ना. इट इज नॉट अबाउट कि हाँ आपको ये बनना है. आप जो सोचते हो वो कभी बनोगे नहीं, लेकिन आपको सब चीज के लिए तैयार होना बहुत जरूरी
Right.
है.
As you said, you can't prepare for one goal. You can prepare for the kind of man you're becoming, and then the goal falls into your lap.
It falls.
Perfect, perfect, perfect.
होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आपका कोर वैल्यू क्या है यार. दुनिया आपको किस चीज के लिए जानेगी. थिंक नो वन नोज अबाउट मी एज अ पर्सन. मैंने कभी ये इंटरव्यूज दिए नहीं है. सी आई एम एन इंट्रोवर्ट. लाइक मेरे को शर्म आती है लोगों के सामने बात करने में. मैं आपसे भी पूछ रहा था कि क्या पूछने वाले हो. सो आई एम दिस पर्सन, बट इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर एन इंट्रोवर्ट. But also, being an introvert, you can still win the title. You just have to believe in yourself, work hard. बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी इस टाइटल के लिए because this is gonna be history. This is gonna be a moment where your future generation, your family, India, everyone is gonna cherish because यार आप जब एक when you see that national flag
Yeah.
on the world stage कि someone is representing this, like Pratik Jain is representing, यार it is like that moment, you know, कि वो no one will understand. It
I
is
know.
only that person who's worked so hard.
I
तो
know.
उसको पता चलता है, उसको फील आती है, तब जाके आप जीतोगे.
So on that global stage of Mr. World, you were not just Pratik Jain, you were India.
Yes.
And you've carried that with pride. You've represented us well. You've represented our culture, our values, the beauty, the grace, and the politeness all at once. What kind of pressure was it being called India? Or was it only exciting?
When I was representing our country, trust me, शब्द नहीं निकलते थे because it was very difficult. As an introvert, life is difficult because communication is not that easy. But आप सीख जाते हो. लेकिन एक सच्चाई, मैं बोलता हूँ ना, एक आदमी को ना इंटीग्रिटी समझनी चाहिए. उसको एक दिस थिंग इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड्स कि आपका वैल्यू क्या है, शायद आपको ज़्यादा बात भी करनी नहीं पड़ेगी. आप दो शब्द में ना दुनिया जीत सकते हो.
Wow. Wow. Wonderful. As a Mr. India, we also focus on the power of communication. आपने बोला कि दो शब्दों में भी आप दिल जीत सकते हो. How important is the value of silence while having a conversation with anybody? क्योंकि most of us, we know how to speak, how to get our point across. We are well read. अच्छी पढ़ाई की है हमने, हमें अच्छे जवाब देने आते हैं. But how important is it for a Mr. India to listen?
Very important. Not just for Mr. India, for any person, he has to be a very good listener. जब आप सुन पाओगे तो आप बोल पाओगे, आप समझ पाओगे. तो for that matter, as an actor, you have to be a great listener to be a great performer.
True.
जो आप सुनोगे, आप फील कर पाओगे और आप उसको बयां कर पाओगे.
True, true, very true. So you used to be a banker.
I used to be a banker.
Is that why your face has such high interest rates?
Could be. Yes, yes. I mean,
Is that why you are our Mr. India world?
I don't know. I mean, I think I should ask the audience कि वो interest rate क्या था. Banking was something else. For me to represent India on the world stage was something else. I mean, I never thought of it. कभी मैंने सपने भी में सोचा नहीं था कि I would get this chance. मेरे मम्मी पापा का सपना था कि education बहुत important है. तो I wanted to study good, prove myself. The title, The Journey of Entertainment, was a surprise for me.
Yeah. When you go to the gym, do the dumbbells ask you to lift them?
I think I am. I always get drawn to metal, like since
Lucky
childhood.
metal.
I mean, yeah, iron is my power,
Okay.
and I have the metal for it.
And you have the medal for it. Oh my God! Wow. Have you ever considered donating your jawline to science?
Science, of course. I mean, ले सकते हो. अगर इससे कोई काम आ सकता है तो of course, why not?
You know, I think you must copyright it because
आज तक, like, you know, very rarely that I've come clean shaved in front of people. I think I always वो बोलते ना कि एक good luck charm जो होता है ना, I always carried beard as
Yeah.
my good luck charm, and it worked out for me for most of my years, even during the pageant. They asked me if I'm ready to shave. I said I will, but then on the pageant I had the beard for most of my I mean, even for the ramp or runway, I was known for my beard. और अगर ये पूरे जॉलाइन अगर साइंस के काम आ जाए तो व्हाई नॉट?
Definitely, wonderful. I think हमें पहले ही आपका copyright लेना पड़ेगा उसके लिए.
ले लीजिए प्लीज, आई एम ऑल अप फॉर इट.
Great. So when you won Mr. India World, was it a very tough competition between you and your mirror?
जब आप नए नए होते हो, आपने कभी सपने में भी सोचा नहीं है कि आप पैजेंट रिप्रेजेंट करोगे, आप इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करोगे. समटाइम्स इट इज़ लाइक अ सरप्राइज एंड इट इज़ अ गुड थिंग, राइट? कि आपको प्रिपेयर नहीं होना चाहिए, मतलब है, हो जाएगा. सो आई थिंक मिरर इज़ योर बेस्ट आंसर. आई मीन, मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं, बट आई थिंक मैं कांच में भी ज़्यादा नहीं देखता अपने आप को.
Of course, कांच टूट जाएंगे. मत देखिए आप. Wonderful. Prateek, you were once an investment banker
हाँ जी.
before turning into modeling. What was the bigger risk, the stock market or your wardrobe choices?
I love stock market. मज़ा आता है यार. I mean, I love to play with money. It is risk, and I understand the market so well.
Uh-huh.
So कपड़े का यार, I'm very simple. You'll always see me.
This is not simple. You're dashing
आज
tonight.
थोड़ा सा बंटन के आया हूँ, but you'll always see me with a shorts. Shorts are my favorite. A simple white t-shirt or a singlet, और मैं हर t-shirt को काट देता हूँ. So I have my own fashion sense. I
Good.
love to be fashionable. जहाँ पे जैसी ज़रूरत है मैं वैसे कर लेता हूँ.
An investment banker who's also stylish, who can also carry shots very well. I haven't seen it. Well, maybe next time. As a fitness icon, do you ever just eat a full pizza and cry about it like the rest of us? Or is that reserved for cheat days and failed auditions?
Now, on my failed auditions, I do not binge eat. I love pizzas. I only have regrets when I eat sweets.
So when are sweets reserved for? Emmy क्या कि आज यार आज audition अच्छा नहीं
अभी
गया?
आती नहीं, मतलब even if sweets are in front of me, मैं rarely एक ऐसे ना टुकड़ा लेता हूँ. But pizza आप मुझे बोलोगे 4 खा जाऊँगा. I'm okay with pizza or
Wow.
burgers or anything for that matter.
Have you ever been mistaken for a Greek god? If yes, आपने कितनी भेंटा ली थी?
Greek god और Indian god, I mean, मुझे बस अपने आप को वो like जुनून है यार. Like if I look at my mirror, मुझे दिखने चाहिए abs, मुझे दिखने चाहिए वो सारे cuts. तो उसके लिए मैं सुबह उठ के,
मतलब अगर 6 आप होगे तो 60 रुपए डाल के माथा
6 होंगे तो मुझे 8 करने, उसके लिए मैं माता क्या मैं सब कुछ टेक सकता हूँ.
अरे आप गॉड हैं, लोग माथा टेकेंगे आगे.
नहीं, पहले मैं टेकूंगा और दुनिया टेकने दो, फिर बाद में.
People say you're one of the hottest men in India.
जी, okay.
People means I. How do you handle that burden? Like, do you wake up and apologize to mirrors?
ऐसे, हे भगवान, मुझे मिरर को देख के तो मैं इतना ही बोलूँगा कि प्रतीक, तेरे को बस इस शेप में रहना है, इस ढंग से ही तेरे को काम करना है.
प्रतीक, आईना मत देखो, टूट जाएगा.
और तेरे को ना जो कभी फैट आ जाता है ना, वो कभी आने नहीं देना है. तो मैं
क्या बात
अपने
है?
आप की पूजा करता हूँ.
A Greek god जो खुद को वर्शिप करते हैं, आईना देख के खुद ही भेंटा डाल देते हैं. नमस्ते. Perfect, Greek god. Prateek, do your abs have a fan page?
I think
Or do they just DM people directly now?
I get a lot of DMs. अभी मैं ज़्यादा उस पर ध्यान नहीं देता हूँ because I've lived that. Almost 15 साल से वो abs है, वैसे के वैसे हैं, उससे अच्छे हो गए, कभी कम हो जाते, कभी, but मुझे आदत
So if somebody has, like, some girl I know, let's say she has to have a one-on-one with your abs, like a direct heart-to-heart conversation. So how can she contact you?
I think वो कांटेक्ट नहीं कर पाएगी शायद.
15 साल से आप छिपा के रखे हैं.
I mean,
आप बहुत सारी लड़कियों का दिल तोड़ रहे हो.
I'm sorry, I mean, please.
So this Greek god is hardly available, girls. Prateek, we have seen your acting work as well, a lot of your movies. Now, we all know that as an actor you have a wide range, a huge range. of characters and whatnot. Now, as an actor, have you ever played an average-looking guy, or is that outside your range?
In my daily life, I play a very average looking
Liar?
person.
Liar?
नो सीरियसली क्योंकि एक्टिंग का ये एक मेन रूल होता है कि आपको जो आप अपने अदर पार्ट ऑफ द लाइफ, फॉर एग्जांपल मिस्टर इंडिया हो या मॉडल हो या एंटरप्रेन्योर हो, वो एक अलग चीज़ है। लेकिन जब आप एक्टर बनते हो ना, आपको सबकी ज़िंदगी जीनी पड़ेगी। ये मेरे सर ने
Prateek, everybody else can, you cannot. You cannot ever look average. Trust me on that.
आई ट्राई, आई मीन
I mean, ladies, boys, men, if you think I'm right, if you think for Prateek it's impossible to look average, write something in the comments so that he'll know.
आई एम वेरी एवरेज
Oh, please. Liar.
जस्ट विद सम सिक्स पैक एंड a little old veins coming out, but average.
Do you moisturize with regular cream, or is it the tears of jealous gym bros?
यार जिम में ऐसे ही होता है मेरे साथ। यार दिखता है आंखों में।
Like there's a gym bro crying and you're like, अरे
मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि ब्रो मैं भी तेरी जगह पे ही था, मतलब
bro ये देख एक और टीयर दे दे।
नहीं, मैं भी रोता था। मैं लाइक आई यूज्ड टू लाइक कब बनेगी वैसी बॉडी यार, मुझे भी चाहिए।
Were you ever a jealous gym bro?
नॉट अ जेलस,
Like if you looked at somebody कि यार क्या body है and you were like ऐसा बनना है, वो ऐसा कैसे बन गया, all
oh
that.
yeah लाइक जेलस नहीं बोल सकते हो आप, लाइक बट आई हैड माय आइडल्स,
Like you
राइट?
looked up to them.
या आई लुक्ड अप टू।
When you post a shirtless selfie, does Instagram server slow down or do they just give up?
यार समटाइम्स दे जस्ट ब्लॉक मी एंड से दैट यू नो कि ये नहीं चलेगा
कि
भाई
प्रतीक
साहब,
ज्यादा हो गया,
ये
प्रतीक
ज्यादा
प्रतीक ज्यादा हो
मैं
गया।
बोला यार इससे ज्यादा तो दुनिया पोस्ट करती है, मैंने तो सिर्फ 6 ऐप्स दिखाए बस, वो तो बहुत ज्यादा बड़े हैं आपके।
अरे मैं तभी सोचू कई बार Instagram चलता नहीं है, so that is the time when you are posting selfies. Guys, don't mind Instagram, okay? It's just some hotness Insta can't handle.
Oops.
At your gym, when women come to you and ask for fitness advice, do they listen to you or are they just staring at your biceps and nodding politely?
यार यू नो आई रियलाइज दिस वेरी लेट, यू नो कि वो मेरे साथ फ्लर्ट करने आती है, मैं उनसे पुलअप्स करवा देता हूँ यार, लाइक so it happened. I said, oh shit, like then my friends come and tell me that you know she was flirting with you, तूने उसको 10 pull-ups करवा के भेज, like you know you sent her, so I am like this. Okay.
You have modeled for top brands. Ever thought of modeling for something truly elite like Aadhaar card?
If I look at my Aadhaar card, no, मुझे लगता है कि यार I do not deserve this industry. I mean, I do not fit anywhere. मैंने बोला यार क्या है, मतलब no matter how much you click, that picture always looks like you're in a prison or like you know.
कहीं से छूट के बाहर आए।
हाँ मतलब I've prepared myself, बाल वाल सही करके, like I've gone, and if I see my Aadhaar card photo or a passport photo, it's always.
Damn. Dear Aadhaar card guys, if you have the potential to make Prateek Jain look
Yeah,
like he described, you've got some talent.
I feel the government should hire a fashion photographer for the Aadhaar card, ताकि यार एक चीज ना, I think it can be like a biodata, अगर आप किसी मैरिज प्रपोजल के लिए भेज सकते हो ना कि look at मेरे आधार कार्ड का फोटो भी इतना खूबसूरत है।
वाह, some suggestion to look into. इसी के साथ साथ गवर्नमेंट को ये संदेश भेज दिया गया है, सरकार इस पे ध्यान दे। प्रतीक, if there was an award for a guy most likely to steal your girlfriend just by blinking, how many would you own already?
It depends on the girl, right? I mean कि मैं तो कोशिश करूँगा।
You don't have to try, Prateek, trust me.
But yeah, if anyone comes on my girlfriend, I have a gun with me, so I'm going to shoot you.
Wow, Prateek is a possessive boyfriend.
वैसे गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं है तो ठीक है।
Flashing news! Prateek is single right now. Ladies, whoever is interested, DM कर दो जल्दी से and Mr. India team will reach out to you.
आला ला ला ला।
All right, Prateek. Talking about girlfriends, what kind of a boyfriend would you be?
I would be someone who's nice, charming, who's loving, who's caring, who's fun. एक इंसान में खामियां भी होती है, अच्छाई भी होती है. I have my shares of good and bad, right? So, but try to respect women. I also have anger issues. तो ये चीज़ को आपको समझना चाहिए और try to control. तो ये like some things are You can work on it.
Right, right. Okay, Prateek, it's now time for our next segment. And here, I'll throw some random questions at you. And मुझे one word answers चाहिए. One word, yeah, whatever quick answers you can give. Done. Shah Rukh's charm or Ranveer's energy?
Shah Rukh's charm.
Ooh. If you had to replace a Bollywood actor in any film, who would it be?
I really dreamt of Shahid Kapoor and Kabir Singh. That was one of the performances that I always dreamed I wanted to do something like that.
Who's the most modern Indian man in Bollywood today?
Modern Indian man, I think everyone is very modern. So as someone that I look up to, I think that I'm like flattered by Shah Rukh Khan's charm. I mean, a man to look up to.
That is it. What's your secret guilty pleasure Bollywood song that you know all the lyrics to?
All the songs of Imran Hashmi. Like I'm a crazy fan of his.
एक गाना हो जाए.
जरा से दिल में दे जगह तू, जरा सा अपना ले बना, जरा सा ख्वाबों में. I forgot the lyrics, but yeah, I mean,
मतलब तुम
काफी
गाते
टाइम
हो?
हो गया गा के.
Too good, man, too good. और ये शर्माना नहीं था, ये थोड़ा सा ना कुछ लग गया था यहाँ पे. Moving on. Team Virat or Team Dhoni?
Dhoni always.
Okay. Chai or filter coffee?
Filter coffee.
Arranged marriage or Tinder? What's the bigger gamble?
I think Tinder.
Tinder is a bigger gamble. What was the last time you cried while watching a movie?
Mostly South movies that I watch. Those are very like touching, emotional. I love it.
How easy or difficult it is for you to cry in front of another person or family or friends? Like you cry when you're alone.
No, I don't cry when I'm alone.
Like while watching movies or having a moment during a reel. But what if there's somebody sitting next to you? Would you still cry?
I would reserve that for my performance.
Okay.
I love that. I mean,
So as an actor,
that's
that's
one
one
of the
thing.
most amazing thing that you can perform. In real life, I would never want to waste my tears on it.
Okay. Do you find it challenging as an introvert person to be able to shed tears in front of other people?
Could be, yeah. I don't know.
Okay. Okay. Men are still evolving, guys. Your 5-year-old self meets you today. 5-year-old Prateek. He, let's say he's standing right here, he's meeting you. What would he tell you? Or what would you tell him?
I would just adore him. What a beautiful kid you are. I would be his fan. I mean, like, yeah, I want to be like you, bro.
And what do you think he'll say to you?
I don't know. मैं बड़ा होके आपके जैसा बनना चाहता हूँ.
Ah,
Something like
so
that.
cute. Or he might say, वाह, कुछ किया. Life में कुछ किया. Perfect. Beard or clean shaven?
Beard. आज मैं clean shave हूँ, but I love beard.
Perfect. Beach body or winter layering?
I like winter layering because it's so sexy. I mean, it's with layers you look so classy.
Okay.
But my situation does not allow me to wear clothes.
Your situation. All right.
Because I mean, I work so hard. मेरे को शायद बीच ही पसंद आता है. But I try. मतलब जहाँ पे मुझे मौका मिले कि मैं layers shoots पे layers. I love layers.
We like that. Romantic or adventurous date?
I don't know.
ठीक है, try करना पड़ेगा. Reality show or runway walk?
Runway walk. No reality shows. I mean, I'm not made for it.
Brains or beauty?
Brains.
Really?
Brains, of course, यार. Beauty fades. दिमाग नहीं तो फिर क्या चलेगा मतलब बिना.
Ramp walk or candid shoots?
Candid shoots.
Candid shoots. Suit up or shirtless shoot?
Suit up.
Messy hair or slick back?
Messy hair.
Boots or sneakers?
Boots.
ये मैंने नहीं लिखा प्रतीक. Flirt over text or in person? Just asking.
I think person. I'm very bad with text. Like, you know, I only know hi, how are you and all that. Like
Late night calls or early morning text?
late night तो होता ही नहीं. Like 10:30 बजे मैं सो जाता हूँ तो I can't like function. I think early morning text would be beautiful.
मेरा फोन देना अलार्म लगाना है. TV और OTT?
I grew up watching TV show, but जिस इंडस्ट्री में मुझे OTT को सपोर्ट करना, I love OTT, please.
Got it. What are you working on right now? What are your current projects that we should watch?
So अभी जिस प्रोजेक्ट पे मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, of course सब लोग मेहनत करते हैं. This is a dream come true for me. क्या बोलूँ मैं कि यार मेरी पहली पिक्चर है. I don't know what kind of actor I am. I'm just exploring. The project is called Karmanya, but आपको उसमें बहुत सारी सच्चाई दिखेगी क्योंकि इस इंटरव्यू में मैंने like I did not come prepared for it, but I spoke my heart out. Same way, even in my performance, I've put in my heart, soul, everything that I have, sweat, blood, tears. I've had a ACL tear. I've had injuries. I'm recovering, still doing the movie. As a new actor, as a new face, it is very difficult क्योंकि कोई सपोर्ट करने वाला नहीं होता है. मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप लोग थोड़ा सा सपोर्ट कर दो. So whenever the movie comes out, please watch it. Thank you.
Wow. We'd love to watch it. When is it out? Any idea yet?
Next year.
Next
We're
year.
working on it. अभी shoot चल रहा है.
Wonderful.
So next year.
We'll really, really wait for the movie. Guys, do watch Karmanya when it releases next year. You will watch our dashing, sensational Prateek Jain in the movie.
Talwarbazi. I mean, it is.
Oh, wow.
It is not. It is not a modern generation, modern story. It is very mystical. 2000 साल पहले की कहानी है.
Oh, wow.
You can compare it. I don't know. I can't say Avatar, but it is something very like ये दुनिया नहीं है. It is something way beyond जो मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था. But एक सपना था तो I don't know, like it has come true. So
Wow.
बहुत चीजें आएगी जहाँ पे आप गाली दोगे कि यार इसको एक्टिंग नहीं आती है. But कुछ चीजें आपको दिल छू जाएगी. So this is what I can tell.
Prateek, we've all seen you work very, very hard on your acting. So I doubt anybody will ever say कि acting आती है कि नहीं आती. We all know, we have all seen your journey over the past so many years. You're a very dedicated person. चाहे वो Mr. India हो, Mr. World हो, या acting हो, या modeling हो, we have always seen you give your best.
जी.
And I'm damn sure कि in this movie also we'll see nothing but your best.
Oh yeah, 100%. यार, to tell you, with this broken leg, I swear, मतलब I've not stopped myself. मतलब मैं पागल हूँ. I'm for my audience. मालूम है कि ये काम मेरा है, लेकिन मैं चाहता हूँ कि यार एक पागलपन हो, like something that the industry has lost. I want to get it out. मुझे नहीं पता कैसे होगा, लेकिन चाहिए ना. मतलब the industry has gone. Like I mean, पिक्चरें नहीं चल रही है. The tickets are expensive. People don't want to spend that kind of money. I want that thing to change now. Like I want people to go to the theaters, watch the cinema, enjoy अपने family के साथ. Tickets शायद थोड़ी सी सस्ती हो जाए. I would want this.
Yeah,
So,
there are a lot of changes that our cinema these days require, for
Yes.
sure. Okay, on that note, ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, this was a lovely, candid, fun chat with the very lovely, the very dashing Prateek Jain, Mr. India World 2014. And Prateek, I loved having you over at the show, and you have been fantastic. You've been honest and really, really aspirational to many, many young boys and men watching you right now who aspire not just to be a Mr. India but to be a man of today. So thank you so much for being here.
No, thank you so much. और मैं last में कि I've never to thank our Miss India organization, Times of India. आपके बिना शायद I would not be here. I would not reach this platform, or even as an actor. This has changed my life. अगर मैं Mr. India नहीं होता तो शायद तक it would be very difficult for me to make a mark as an actor. This has actually made my life much more easier. So I would want every man once in your life, no matter how good or bad you are, try. एक बार audition दो, give your best. क्या पता आपकी जिंदगी change हो जाए.
Wow. So to all the men watching this right now, go give it a try and all the best.
Yes, all the best, guys. Bam.